It's so easy making money shorting Bitcoin, easier than anything else. So I have like $9,000 in this trade. It started off down. I plan to leave it for a long time, strategically add to it. I put some distance between me and liquidation. That distance is about $2,000. Right now I feel that 63,000 is going to break. See, what Saylor did was he made everybody immune to the fact that he might sell one day. First, he sold 32, and Bitcoin went right down to my future cast, 59,877, instantly in one day. So then, yesterday, he announced that he purchased almost $1 billion worth of Bitcoin, 1,550 Bitcoin. Now, the average person, you know what? They think it's no big deal if he needs to sell to pay interest sometimes. It's wild, right? So now they've been inoculated. So now what are they going to do? They're going to trade Bitcoin? They're going to trade like me? So I'm going to show you how to set up a trade. Let's close this one right here. As long as you're green, it's not so bad. I'll get hit with some fees. Let's see where we start. Okay, now I do have a limit order in that has been completely useless. Oh shit, half wallet in, boom. We are breaking coordinates live. Now we're gonna start printing money. Put in some protection, 25% of the wallet, okay? Hit a little more on this, 30. Let's just nail it. Put the rest into protection, right there. Okay, so here's where we are. 300. I was going to put in the calculator how much money we had. I think it was like 8,900 or something. So I'm expecting the whole number to break. Look at this. Red singularity. Oh, it's so exciting.
I never meant to call you in your sorrow. I only want to see you laughing in the purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain.
Red singularity all the way down. Oh, look at that. We're up $700. The whole number's going to break. Oh, Saylor. Oh, Saylor. You dirty dog, you. Bye-bye, 63,000. Everything here is fake. All the way down.
I want to be some kind of friend. Hey.
It's a floating wallet. It moves in real time with your trade. Shit, I have to reset this trade. That's not enough space between me and liquidation. All right, let's do it again. So let's start. Nice high leverage, 95x. Let me move this box right here out of the way. Let them buy some dip. They don't want to buy any dip. So we do a loading entry. A portion of my price. You know, let me help some people. Let's let all these people in. Hey, everyone. If you have background noise, mute yourself. Nobody's going to talk to me.
Hey, we hear you. Hey, Oracle.
Hey, so I want to short this. I was actually just shorting. I'm on the 1 minute chart. I was looking at the coordinates. I was watching the price drift down. And it's 4:30 in the afternoon. It's a known pump time. We're on a 1 minute chart. Hold on. I sit down. 15 people entered the waiting room. Let's see, Mikey Boy. I know most of these people. Shadow Hunter. They're all my group. These are my people. Admit everybody in. Welcome. Let me go delete the link now. I want to trade. I love to short. I'm a shorting degenerate. I would love to short this right now. I know this sale was fake fluff. You guys are going to be seen on YouTube, so if you don't want to show your face, turn off your video. So I figured that when I'm actually going to trade, right? Why not show you? But I don't know if I could trade now. My inner desire, my inner demon wants to short. I was just shorting. So let's look at the situation. I only look here. Red. Take a picture at a time. The price. Boom. Okay. Let's drill down here. Now this is a known pump time. Let's take a look at the 6 hour. This is the artificial sale or pump. He bought 32, or he sold 32 Bitcoin. Okay, put panic in the markets, only to buy back almost $1 billion worth, 800 million. Now, why he did this was a mind trick, so that in the future, when he needs to go ahead and sell crypto to pay his dividends, nobody will be shocked. So I'm on the 6 hour now. I only use this chart to look at. I trade here. So let me analyze. Let me analyze everything. The 1 hour shows a flanking maneuver. It takes 4 candles of the opposite color to take control of the 6 hour. And I'm starting to see that weakness right now, because a green candle should have a wick going up. A red candle should have a wick going down. And if we look here, these have wicks coming out of their asses. Sign of weakness. And that weakness can be seen here. There's more people in the waiting. At this point, what I do is I watch the price and I watch the time. So, it's 4:25. I'm watching the 1 hour. So that means that in about 35 minutes, a new 1 hour candle will come out. It's the decision maker. It's going to either be another big, deep... Oh, I want a piece of this. This is where we start getting degenerate. So I'm running at 95x. Now look, I don't intend to win the trade now. Okay? I could win this trade at any time. This is a really dangerous time to enter. I would have to be counting on these coordinates breaking. So when I trade, I don't care about the time. I don't care about winning immediately. Let's let everybody. But I'm also aware of time. And I know that this is a known pump time. It's 4:30 in the afternoon. Dangerous time is short. Checking the price. So I still have direction here. Hold on. Okay, so direction is not really short because I still have green on the 6 hour. But I have strong war formation here. But I also notice some weakness up here. Those tails. So that's why I want to wait till the next candle. If it's a smaller red, I won't short. For me, this 63,000 has not broken yet. So that makes me the dwarf. Okay, usually I like to toss a dwarf. What does that mean? Let's see if I can show you. All right. A lot of times, I like it to be softened up for me. Okay? I like the target to be softened. So, I like somebody else to break 63,000. Then I like the humans to buy the dip. They usually do it 62, 700, 62, 800. They'll think it's a bargain. So if I wanted to short now and I wanted to leave it, I would slowly enter portions of my trade like this. Now I'm running at 95x. What matters here? Okay? What matters here? This area right here, let me zoom. I can only go one notch. There you go. It's all I can zoom, or else everything gets distorted. Hold on. I really shouldn't short this time, but I want to leave this in long term. So what do? First thing I do is I look at my liquidation. 63 at 95x is too close, and this is not even my real trade yet, but I start protecting myself. Watch the number. Liquidation is 63.6. I want to get over the next whole number, even on this small amount. Look, so now I'm at 64.3. We all know how the coordinates work. Oh, wrong picture. In any case, so I don't want to wait around. I'm comfortable with dropping shorts. I put in this small amount of money to show you. Now, this is how you can portion out your trades. When you are on isolated, you have control of everything. Look, if I want to put a little more, I have 8,700 to play with here. Let's say I want to start at 65,000. Only cost me $960 on that. Now, the distance between me and liquidation, look, I could leave this trade for a long time. I could come back. And because I generally believe in my direction like a religion, okay, I am comfortable leaving this trade no matter what. Now, I'm showing you how to kind of step into the trade. What you've seen is an entry. Whether it's a good entry or bad entry, I'm somewhere over the whole number. It doesn't matter. Looking here. Oh, did anyone see that? Probably not. If so, you're probably muted. When I came here, this dropped a little bit more. This 1 hour moved a little bit in real time. We are breaking down the coordinates. Hold on. Oh my God, what a perfect song. Winning. I'm gonna fucking slaughter this. I'm so excited. So I want to show you. So I can trade with the 1 minute, but the 3 minute is a better judge. So this kind of trade, as it pumps against me, I'll add to it. I don't use isolate. I don't use limit orders or anything like that. I expect it to pump now because it's 4:30 in the afternoon. Known pump times are 4:30, 8 p.m. New York City time. Especially if we dumped, it's more likely. Right now we have people excited and confused about Michael Saylor and what to do. So, first rule I did I didn't wait for a dwarf. I didn't wait for a whole number to be broken or anything. I am preloading myself into the trade. Now, if you use BitMEX and you use Tuna to trade, you might see a discrepancy between the price. And it depends which one you pick. So this one is 229. That one's closer. So, yeah, that works for me. So now my charts are in sync. I usually take a screenshot. We started this call, it was 240. Now it's 224. We're slowly drifting down. I don't know who those people are. I'm not letting them in. They're late to the gangbang. So, I have no time frame to win a trade. I don't care if an entire green pump cycle comes against me, okay? I don't care if it pumps, because all it does is go up and down. I don't care if they pump it against me. Control of the wallet is everything. I didn't even plan to do this.
Jay Gibbons said here.
Somebody's like Alexa is talking to him. So now I have a lot of things I can do. I could wait until it pumps against me, and then I can add $1,000, right? Or if I want to, I can take more shelter. I can make myself almost unliquidatable. Because overall, my belief is that the structure is weak. I believe that when we hit my future cast the other day, here, that was the truth. I should take that down. Yes, I did it. That looks so bad. But when I called this the other day, we were at 64,000, 63,000. This is the natural price. And it hit the next day. And that's what happened with Sailor when he sold whatever. And now people feel comfortable. Oh, they feel comfortable. Everything's okay. I still, no matter what, I love to short. So,
Garage set here.
this trade, I plan to leave it in. And I plan later on, because right now I have direction to short right here. And I'm waiting for the next candle. Hold on. So at this point, what I do with my trade is I go into a holding pattern. I don't need to win immediately. I actually expect it to pump against me, and then I am going to maneuver it. Okay, I would never put this much into that far away margin. That's wasted money. And many of you don't know, you can also take some of it back. Okay, but I usually just use it to increase my margin. So what I want you to learn from this is how to slowly step into a trade. Okay, slowly step in. I strongly believe, I don't care if this pumps against me, $800. I will stand at the top of that pump and I will hit it with more money like a tomahawk. So the whole point of this is to believe in your direction. I believe tonight we fall. I may be wrong, but I just think that we're going down. As of this moment, we trade in the moment. Okay, as of this moment, I have Red Army flanking here, flanking the 6 hour. So if we get one more big red candle, let's move this over. I will have a wall formation, perfect. And then the red will overtake the 6 hour and we will have dumping. That's how I look at this. I don't need no volume. I don't need anything. But what I do need is one thing that most people do not have. I need to believe in my trade like a religion.
There is crypto set here.
Somebody's got some shit that keeps talking in the background. That's good because none of you do. So anyway. So my thing is, what I want to show you is sometimes I will step into a trade. Okay? Now, a good average number, well it's different for everybody. Okay? You put a portion of your trade in. You start, as soon as I put my trade in, I start creating the distance between me and liquidation. Because let me show you, let's super zoom. Okay, here. This area right here is the most important area. Okay? This is the distance between you and liquidation. It's not the speed. This is what people don't understand. It's not the speed in leverage trading. It's the distance. But with this pencil and proper wallet management, I can control the distance between me and where they could even dare liquidate me. Okay? This is critical. Okay? Look, sale aboard, I think God would have to come and buy at this point, okay, for that to happen. So, now I'm going to give you some words of wisdom, what I really think. I've been in this for years and years and years and years, okay? And I love trading, okay? This what you're seeing here is the setup. I'm going to let them pump. I might, even if we get a fucking green here, I don't give a shit. I'll wait like an assassin in the bushes in the middle of the night, and I will take this out, okay? So it's important how you enter your trade, how you set up your trade. You know, you can use cross leverage. If you use cross leverage, it uses your entire wallet to protect you. But it sucks to get your entire wallet wiped out, okay? So what I like to do is I like to use, when this happens, everyone, there's an auto button. Look at that. You can see all my degenerate trading. Look at that, fuckers.
I'm McCarthy.
What I love about this trade, this exchange, is the instant withdrawals. Okay, but what I was going to tell you, okay, is this button. Where is it? Right here. Where is it? Where is it? This one. Boom. Okay, this is magic. Most people will never teach you this because they don't know how to win enough to even use this. Okay, spot is where you withdraw and you deposit. Futures is where you trade. When you deposit USDT, you never even have to use this. It goes right to the futures. But when you want to withdraw, you need to turn it this way. And you need to go from futures to spot. Okay? Now, here's the key. Take your winnings, if you're not going to withdraw them, and move them to spot. If you do this, I guarantee you, even if you get liquidated, you're going to say, oh shit, I'm still ahead. Every trade I move money to spot, okay, or I withdraw it. But it's more, especially when we have this volatility, it's more convenient to move it to spot. Now, control. I believe in my trade. They could pump it. We're in the low coordinates. Okay, I don't expect the whole number to break now. I expect it to happen later. But at this point, I have very little money in the trade, but for like a dust amount. Okay. Doesn't matter. What I'm looking to do is as they pump, okay, I'm going to feed on top of it. Each time I feed on top of it, I'm going to move the distance between me and liquidation. Okay, you all know the coordinates, right? You want to be right over the next coordinate. So let's say we're at 64,000 now. See that 65,115? That's not enough. You would need to bring it. Look, that's over. That's into the middles. That gives you even more protection. But you want to be over that 226 range because a lot of times you'll pop right there, okay, and then pull back. We all know how the coordinates work. It's right there. Anyway, I don't know. I just felt like showing you all of this. It doesn't even matter to me. I'm down 30%. I put $500 in here to spit. So I want to have a piece. I want to start setting up. If they pump to 64,000, I'll be here to put $1,000 on top of it and then adjust my margin again. Now, what do I expect to happen? I seen that 1 hour just shrank a little because the price is going up. Most of us go price blind. And I told you that this is prime pump time. I am fully expecting them to pump against me. It's 4:30 in the afternoon. And it's called afternoon pumps. As a matter of fact, let's see if we could pull it up here. Let's go to here. Watch this. At 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. End of day pump, stock market close pump. What do? I break protocol. I begin my short right in front of it. I don't give a shit. I know that I believe. So the whole point of this is believing in your trade like a religion. Now, and it's just because I want it to go down. Bitcoin doesn't give a shit what I want. Okay? Is it because I think it might go down because it popped up a little bit? No. I think it's structurally weak all the way down to my 59,877. That's why it went there. And I think that today was market manipulation, and I am just waiting like an assassin. Okay? Now, what do I want you to take from this? I want you to take that. You don't have to drop your whole air fleet in for an attack immediately. Number one, believe in your direction like a religion. Number two, stair step your way into the trade and with your gap. Stair step your way in. This will give you more control. And you know what? Every time it goes up a little bit, if I want to, I could throw $100 and spit on it on the top. And I can look here, and look, this almost don't even change. I could be, as they're pumping up, I could be throwing spears at a fucking dragon. Because I know we're in the lower coordinates. I know we're weak. Now, let's take another look. The next candle is going to tell me whether I have a long trade or a short trade. What am I talking about? Time. Nothing else matters than time. And if you're going to ask me if I have a long trade or a short trade, most of the times I have a short trade because fear is greater than hope. Okay? And it goes down a hell of a lot faster than it goes up. When it goes up, you have to hope there's another moron behind you to buy it. But when it goes down, everybody gets afraid. Everybody sells on their own. It's like a snowball. That's why I love shorting. So now, what's going to happen? Not a lot's happened. If you are staring at the price, you have a totally different feeling than I have. I see the sound, well, visual silence. I don't see shit flashing all over my chart. Nothing driving me crazy. Okay, nothing to affect my emotions. Many of you would be staring down here. Oh my God, I'm down 20%. I fucked up. I entered bad. No, my attitude is I am going to have such a nice win later. Even if 3 or 4 green candles come at the known pump time, okay, poor sailor. Even if 3 or 4 candles come and pump against me, I don't care. So the whole key here is stepping into your trade slowly. Step into it calm, be in control, not throw your whole load in and this is the moment I'm going to get rich. No. I plan to assassinate this number, but I have to do it methodically. So I hope you found this all helpful. I know none of you talk much. I'm probably just going to hang up on you like that. And I'll see you in the Discord. Because if I say anything like ask a question or anything, all fucking 40 of you will be silent. It's something that only
La
happens.
señora de los gloves. Ahí anda haciendo.
Did you guys find this helpful at all?
Va a decir, give me more gloves.
Yes.
That was great.
Always.
Look at this. I
That
got
was
guys yelling
brilliant.
out for margaritas.
Think so.
No, era la fe.
You hear that? Who is that? Let's see. Let's find them. Let's find them. Everybody's muted. Everybody's hiding. Anyway, everyone, have a great day. That's
Thanks,
it.
Joe.
I hope this helped you. I don't know. Just want to
Wait,
show
what?
you what I'm doing.
Yeah, always.
And that's it. Good. That's it.
Yeah,
Bye.
thanks so.
That was great. Thank you.
My honor.
Bye.
Bye-bye.